Welcome aboard to the United States Naval Academy's Alumni Mentoring Program. Whether you are new to mentoring or experienced, this tutorial guides you through best practices for being an effective mentor. By viewing this tutorial, you are demonstrating a commitment to the mentoring process and to your protege. This commitment is the foundation for effective mentoring experiences and carries on the Academy's mission of excellence in command, citizenship, and government. In the next few minutes, you will learn more about AMP's 5 best practices for effective mentoring, which include getting to know your protege, establishing clear expectations, working together on goal setting, being an active listener, and communicating with clarity. These best practices are designed to support AMP's purpose of alumni helping alumni, as well as your ability as a mentor to build and maintain effective mentoring relationships that are based on trust and focused on protege goals. Effective mentors apply these best practices as they motivate, encourage, and empower their proteges to stretch beyond perceived limits, much like instructor pilots guiding their students to success. Inspire your protege to see what's possible and to reach their highest potential and achievement in service, career, and life. Remember, AMP is a continuation of the Academy's mission of excellence in command, citizenship, and government. Given this, carrying out your role as a mentor directly impacts fellow alumni and sustains an enduring legacy. Now, on to the 5 best practices for mentors, each of which is followed by a protege's point of view to illustrate the value of its application to the mentoring relationship. Before jumping into the work of mentoring, take time and get to know your protege. Discover commonalities and validate why you were matched. Inquire about their mentoring goals and objectives. Find out what motivates your protege and how they best learn.
Get to know the role your protege serves within their teams to better understand their values, strengths, and weaknesses.
Establish clear expectations for the mentoring relationship and how you will work together. Agree on the method of communication and frequency. Your protege owns the process and sets the agenda, but absolutely take the initiative when needed to check in with your protege and maintain contact and momentum.
My mentor offered a regular and flexible schedule while encouraging me to set the agenda. The flexibility was very beneficial.
Collaborate to establish specific goals and objectives. Challenge your protege to step out of their comfort zone and reach for stretch goals to realize their fullest potential. Then provide the advice, guidance, and follow-up to maintain momentum and progress.
This is a great practice and was specifically beneficial in focusing and tracking more ambiguous goals.
Be an active listener. Ask questions and pay attention to what your protege is not saying as much as what they are saying. It's easy and natural to dispense advice, especially because you've been there and done that. But proteges want more than good advice. They want you to listen to their needs, concerns, and ideas as much as they want to hear what you have to say.
Paralleling my experiences and skills with my mentor's experiences really provided great perspective.
Finally, communicate with clarity, provide candid and meaningful feedback, and openly share your own successes and failures. In addition, be honest about your ability to support your protege's goals. If you feel you don't have the expertise to match their needs, refer them to someone who has the right experience or recommend they seek a different mentor. Proteges may work with more than one mentor simultaneously or sequentially.
The candidness of my mentor and their willingness to connect me with other mentors was vital to the success of the overall process.
Getting to know your protege, establishing clear expectations, working together on goal setting, being an active listener, and communicating with clarity. These 5 best practices will support you with getting off to a good start, as well as sustaining the mentoring relationship and its vitality going forward. In addition to these 5 best practices, AMP offers several optional tools and resources to support your mentoring experience. You can share messages and documents with your protege, track goals and action plans, and access additional mentoring guides and tutorials. Equipped with the knowledge of AMP's mission and purpose, best practices, and additional tools and resources, you are now prepared to serve as an effective mentor. Motivate, encourage, and empower your protege to achieve their goals in service, career, and life. As an AMP mentor, you are the driving force behind a culture of possibility, potential, and achievement for our alumni proteges, as well as our country, the Navy and Marine Corps, the Academy, and generations of alumni and midshipmen. AMP's program administrator is at the ready if you need assistance or have any questions. If you would like to share your feedback on this tutorial or any of AMP's materials, please complete the evaluation in Tools and Resources. Thank you for watching and for your participation in AMP.